Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. And this video I will show you how to reduce loud audio for headphones on your iPhone 15 Pro. First of all, open your settings and choose the option Sound and Haptics. Scroll down to reach the headphone safety. Tap on the headphone safety. In the headphone safety, you can see the option reduce loud audio. Your iPhone can analyze headphone audio and reduce any sounds that is over a set decibel level. Tap on the toggle and turn it on. Here you can adjust the decibel for your loud audio. Choose the recorded decibels. Now your reduce loud audio option is enabled on iPhone 15 Pro. By doing this, you can use your iPhone more conveniently. If you found this video useful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.